You have to check out this amazing free AI video generator called Kling AI. It's now available worldwide, and the quality is truly impressive. To use Kling now, you no longer need a Chinese phone number, unlike before when it was required. The videos have great detail and super realistic motion, sometimes even better than other tools. Kling AI is really flexible too. It can create different styles, animate your prompts well, and works even better with image references for image to video. Best of all, it's completely free to try. Let me show you how to get started with Kling AI. This is the Kling AI website. The link is in the description below. Click on the sign in button on the top right corner and click on sign up for free. Simply put your email, create a strong password, confirm the password, and click on the next button. Fill the CAPTCHA. Then open a new tab and go to your email. You can see I have received an email from Kling AI. Open it and copy this code, paste it here, and click on sign up. This is the interface of this amazing AI tool. On the home page, you can see some videos created by other users, and you can see the results are just insane. Obviously, you can see that this video generator is really high quality. It's definitely competitive with Sora. It's known for having a very good understanding of physics, as you can see in this example. You'll see that many of these examples used an image reference, which is quite common. However, you can achieve excellent results with just a text prompt. One more thing that I have noticed is that this tool generates stunning videos with the dolly zoom effect, just like this example. Now to start, click on this AI video option here, and this is the Kling AI creator page. And according to me, it is very simple and easy to use. There are two options, text to video and image to video. Let's try them one by one, starting with text to video. Here, you need to enter a prompt about what you want to create. I type here, a robot walking through a park. In the settings tab, you can adjust a slider to control creativity and relevance. Moving the slider to the relevance makes the video follow your prompt more closely, while moving it towards creativity gives the video generator more freedom to create what it wants. There are options for generation mode and video length, but in this early release, only high performance and 5-second videos are available. You can also change the aspect ratio from here. Here are all popular aspect ratios like landscape, portrait, and square. Below is the camera movement option. Click on camera control and choose any option you want. I will go with this zoom effect. This slider controls if you're zooming in or out. The gray box shows the outline of the first frame, and the teal box shows the outline of the final frame. Below that, you can add a negative prompt with words like distort, disfigure, blurry, low resolution, warp, or deform. These words tell the video generator what you don't want it to generate. After that, click on this beautiful generate button. It will cost you 10 credits. On your first sign up, Kling gives you 66 credits per day, so don't worry about running out of credits. Every day, they will reset to the same number as before. Each video can take 3 to 5 minutes to generate. As you can see, our video is generated. The video does a great job following our prompt and has good quality. That's why I was saying this tool generates stunning videos with the dolly zoom effect. However, the camera movement is quite intense, so you might want to reduce the motion slider. To download this video, click on this download icon. Let's generate another video. This time, I paste this prompt, a fish swimming in a coral reef. This time, I will go with the default settings. Paste the same negative prompts and click on the generate button. And here it is. Our video is ready, and you can see the amazing quality of this Kling AI tool. It generates this video without any distortion. Really amazing, right? Here are some more example prompts I used. A rocket launching into space. As I mentioned earlier, this tool understands physics very well, so in this video you can see this example clearly. The next one is a time lapse of a city skyline. In this video, some distortion may be visible. Indeed, it's an AI tool, and it can't work perfectly in every video like a real one. A snow-covered mountain peak. It's also a wonderful video created by Kling AI. A bot sailing on a calm lake. It also looks like a real video. Good job, Kling AI. Let's try the second option, which is image to video. Click on it and upload any image for reference. For example, I am uploading this one this time because I have seen that many people are making videos where a person is eating a burger, so I thought we should try it too. After uploading the image, paste your prompt here. I simply type, a man smiling at the camera, picks up a burger and starts to eat it. After that, you can adjust the settings, but I will go with the default settings. Simply click on the generate button. As you can see, it works better than anything else I have tried. I'm not sure if this actually happened in real life, but just look at the fingers and the chewing motion. They look incredibly realistic. The smile is also spot on. It really looks like a genuine smile. Let's try with another image. Delete this image from here and upload the image you want to convert into a video. I type here, a robot running, and hit the generate button. After waiting for some time, our video is ready. You can see that in this video, one arm of the robot has a lot of distortion. The background is consistent, but there are problems with the robot. However, this is the first version of this tool that has been launched worldwide. I hope they will improve it soon. There are some more examples I want to show you. Remember, this is still the early release, and it's not their best model yet. Here are the video resolutions. It's low res for now, but high res options should be coming soon. There's no subscription plan yet, and you get 66 free credits per day, which equals 6 video generations. I'm definitely going to keep an eye on Kling AI. It seems to have a lot of potential, but we'll have to wait and see. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you want to see a better free AI tool, where you can not only generate images and videos, but also upscale images, remove any object from a photo without ruining the background, and enhance any photo up to 4 times, then definitely check out the video on the screen. See you there.